Let's publish our course on our own white-labeled school with our custom domain. First, I will create my school, which will be focused on leadership. I will provide the unique subdomain for this topic. I will add my logo, cover, and favicon. Once I have saved it, I will be redirected to my school invite page, where I must log in with the same email that I used to create the school. Please note that you need to log in with the same email, and this is important to be able to change settings, set up a custom domain, and access to the settings button. Okay, I log in now. I can select a theme for my school. Next, I will proceed with school settings and set up my custom domain. Here, I select custom domain. I can also connect Stripe payments and choose any other currency, but for now I will set up my domain. It will be unschooler.pro. I need to add two records to my domain register, the A records and the TXT record. If I have, for instance, a subdomain of custom domain like learn.unschooler.pro, then I would need to use CNAME record instead of A record, but I want to connect the main domain. Okay, I will add these records now. The first is the A record and the second is the TXT. Now we need to wait for 24 hours. If you encounter any problems, please navigate to unschooler.me and drop us the link to your school to our help chat so that we can connect faster. After saving the changes, let's add the course that I created earlier. I click on Add Courses button, and it was Effective Leader Train. And this is the course. I select it and add my course here. Additionally, I can add a specific section called Bestsellers, and I will add my course there as well. Okay, this is my bestseller section. In a few minutes, we will get the Unschooler Pro custom domain. I'm logging in with my admin account. Now, when I share my course, this course will have the custom domain in the title, along with my custom logo, favicon, and title. This AI course setup works the same as previously. For instance, I can create a course about leadership, and I will now select a PDF document as a source. I will upload it. Okay, it has been broken down into two parts, and I will generate the course from this PDF. Great, let's generate it. Okay, I have generated this first module. Now I have the first module from my PDF with some videos, images, and beautiful diagrams. It also uses my own voice by default because I added this option as a default. After verifying the custom domain, I can set up email settings for my school, which helps me send notifications and invitations on behalf of my own brand, Unschooler Pro, not Unschooler Me. Okay, let's set up it. First, it will provide the DNS records for me, which I will then add to my DNS provider. Okay, I have added all of these records. None of them are proxied. Let's try to verify. Okay, we are waiting for the verification from 15 minutes up to 72 hours. However, in general, it takes around 2-3 hours. When my custom domain for email is ready, I can send invitation for my colleagues and students. I can invite my colleagues as creators, and creators will see this form and will be able to create courses. Please note that creators cannot see the school settings, they cannot set up custom domain, payments and other settings inside school. They can only create courses, invite their own students, and manage the educational process inside their own courses. They will not see your drafts and courses of other creators that is not published. So I will invite my colleagues and students. I will provide the email of this person and invite as a creator. Send the invitation. Okay, let's check. I get the invitation from Unschooler Pro and correct email and the link. Also, I can invite students. Here I can apply this additional permission. For instance, I can make any student as a course creator. And the last thing that I want to show you today is how to embed your course into your own platform, your own website, maybe your own educational space, for instance, Notion. So I will show you. First, we need to navigate to the course and go to the any lesson. The embed button is placed in the lesson settings, and here I can copy and paste the link, the embedding link, to my platform. With the iframe tags or without this, it depends on the embedding function of your platform. It would be better if your website allows to embed this iframe from one side to another without margins. If it has margins, we cannot do anything with. This is not the restriction of our platform, this is the restriction of platform where you embed. So please make sure that you do not have margins. But it works pretty same. I can see all of this content. I already logged in. I can subscribe here. I can join again as a student. And definitely I need to log in on Unschooler to create payments or join the course, and login also works in the iframe as well. I can share not only the whole of this page but also single module. I will show you how it works. When I embed the single module, it shows only the content of this module, so you can limit the access, but providing the access only for one lesson if you, for instance, want to restrict access.